Hey folks, Diana here with Sunday, and today we're going to talk about how to get great results with our grass seed. So depending on where you live, you might need seed that thrives in low light with really tough soil, or maybe you're in high sun with a lot of moisture. The good news is we've got you covered. We tailor our seed blends so that no matter where you are, you're getting the type of seed that's best for your lawn. As you can see, my lawn is in pretty great shape. There aren't any bare spots, but overseeding can be really beneficial in helping my lawn grow really green, lush, and full. The best part is that application is super simple. You really can't mess this up, so let's get started. For smaller areas, you can simply spread seed by hand, just like this. So for larger areas, we recommend that you use a spreader because you can cover a much larger distance in about a fraction of the time. Seeding rates, which tell you how much seed your lawn needs, are right here on the back of the package. You may need to use a little extra seed when you're tackling thin spots, so be sure to apply a thicker layer so you can adequately fill in any bare patches. Once you're finished spreading the seed, be sure to water the newly seeded area. You'll want to give your lawn a little extra water the next 3 to 4 weeks to make sure those seeds have time to germinate. And if you did happen to fill in any bare spots, you're going to want to water those 1 to 2 times a day until you start to see new growth. That's the whole process, and in about 4 weeks, you'll start to see your lawn grow thicker and healthier.